back to my YouTube channel. My name is Toby O'Case, and if you are returning, hey. So today I have an exciting video for you all because I don't know if you saw my last YouTube short where I was explaining how I got some things from JPfans, and if you haven't, go and watch that. So the items that I ordered are finally here. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of everything that I got from JPfans. And if you watch my YouTube short, you would be able to see a tiny little preview of some of the things that I got because you would have seen the warehouse images. I don't even want to talk too much. I have the box right here. I cannot wait to even show you all anyway, so I'm trying to get into it and just show you everything, show you all of the things that I have in this box. So if you love my face, if you love my personality, and if you love me and you would like to continue watching, please make sure to like this video before we continue. Please also make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, guys. I see all of you. Yeah, let's continue to grow. Subscribe to this channel. Please make sure to also share this video, comment down below because I do reply to every single one of my comments. I make sure that I try to go through everything and talk to everyone. Let's have a chat. Please also make sure to hype this video so that, you know, it reaches more people. I think that's all. So yeah, let's get it and let's go. The box is over here, and you know what? It's actually lighter than I thought, but it is a massive box. Let me get into a bit about what JPfans is for the ones that didn't watch my YouTube shorts. I thought we were friends. What's going on? But anyway, it's okay. So JPfans is a website and app where you can get so many cute things from Japan. Honestly, the process of ordering and everything that I had with JPfans, amazing, top tier. They kept me in the loop throughout every single process. Like, they have people on go ready to order the items for you, tell you if the item's out of stock on the websites that they're ordering from, because they have Mercari on there, they have JDAS, JDAF, the Japanese Amazon. They also have that on there. They don't play around, and I love that about them. Not limited to accessories, beauty, skincare, fashion, figurines, movies, anything you can think of, they probably had it on there. Enough of my yapping. Can we get into what I actually got? I'm ready to open this and just show you what's inside the box. But I do need scissors, so yeah, I did think of that. And the customs declaration handled for you. Oh, I love this place, like genuinely. Oh, look at that, bubble wrapped and ready for me to show you. The first thing, I shouldn't be this excited, but no, I can be if I want to be. It's my interests, it's what I like. I think this takes up most of the space in the box. I know people are sick and tired of me getting plushies, but no, that's just who I am. I'm sorry. Let's open it. It's large. Oh my gosh, this is like, oh, so massive. This is the Rilakkuma cherry blossom plushie. And just look at the detailing. I'm sorry. Cherry blossoms on the ears and the cherry blossom on the paws, on the feet. I'm trying like not to touch it so much because I don't know if I still have makeup on my nails. It comes with the tag and everything just to prove its authenticity. And you know what it is? I like plushies instead of cushions. Like, I feel like the way people decorate their houses with cushions and have specific colors for them, I feel like that's the way I decorate my bed with plushies. I have to have a specific one. Like, I'm not just gonna buy every single plushie under the sun just because, you know, it's there. When they showed me the warehouse pictures, I was like, give it to me right now. Thankfully, the warehouse images were free, so I was able to see what it looked like and confirm, be happy with everything before it even being in my arms. And honestly, I'm just gonna make sure that the code and everything is gonna be somewhere on the screen, and of course down below for you as well. It's also in my YouTube profile, so it's everywhere. Next item, because I could talk about this one item for the longest, and I don't even know if I'm gonna let go of this, but hey, let's just get in. This is the next thing. It's just a Hello Kitty loungewear. This was another thing that I picked up from Mercari. Everything stays at the warehouse, by the way. You have a select amount of days where it just stays at the warehouse for you. So it's like you going shopping and someone keeping it in a store for you. Being like, you know what, finish shopping and I've got you. I'll just send everything to you straight. You don't even need to worry about it. That's how it was. I did not have to worry about a thing because I knew that once it had been ordered, it was all at the warehouse for me to just buy everything all at once and just get it shipped to me. So I love that. See, this is what I mean. I'm actually an A-class yapper, but it's okay. This is the lounge wear. It just comes with the description of what it is. It's just a black like hoodie dress, I would say. You all know I love me a good black and pink moment. This is so adorable and I love how soft the material is. It's also lightweight even though it is quite warm. I love that I'll still be able to wear this even though the UK is getting a bit warmer. So I love this. Let's get into what's in the box. I'm actually so excited. I'm genuinely so thankful that JPfans exists. This is the times that you have to be thankful that people just have big brains and created service like this. So the next thing I got from Macari also, it's like an animal print tank top. It's pink and I love the way everything's packaged. And it is a one size. I think that should be okay, but we won't know until we put it on. So hopefully it looks okay when I'm showing it to you all. I think it should be okay though. I really love it. I don't know what to say. Shop at JPfans. Like, you have my discount code that can get you up to $86 off. So like, shop. I don't know, shop. This next thing, genuinely inside I'm squealing and let me show you why. One of my dream Dior beauty bags. Brand new with the Dior Beauty on there. Oh my god, like this. I love that it's the size of my hand. Who said I'm not gonna be carrying this as a bag? Like, what? They made it with a strap so I can carry it as a mini bag. Dior on one hand, rilakkuma on one hand. The warehouse images don't even do the bag justice. This bag is so cute. So tiny as well. Tiny enough to fit everything you need. You don't need to carry too much. We don't need to carry the world on our shoulders, metaphorically and literally. I'm gonna go with this one first. I just picked up, I love that because I always wish you guys happiness on the seller. Look, for you I wish you happiness. I don't know what collection it's actually part of. They had the tan version, they had a white version and the black version, and it's just an eye mask. I love this. Oh, I love how it's white thin, but then I love how this is that all black material, so it will block out any light, we hope. And of course it will go over my eyes, but I'm wearing lashes and all of this and I don't really want makeup on it right now. I love a cute little eye mask. And then the next thing are two Charmy Kitty things. And what I love about ordering from Japan, reason number, I don't know, 2,768. Why I love JPfans is the fact that you get items that are only exclusive to Japan over here. Exhibit, I don't even know, A, B or C being Charmy Kitty. So the first one, it's a comb slash mirror, and I love how everything's still in the package even though they did the warehouse inspection. I love it a lot. You open it from here like this and it opens up into a mirror and a comb. And you can detach that comb accessory and comb your hair. I love being able to carry it together in a small heart. And then the final accessory that I picked up is this Charmy Kitty ring. Like, yes, immediately please. See the fine print on the back? For sale in Japan only. But guess who's not in Japan? And guess who has it? And it's adjustable. Love it. It makes the whole look feel put together. Yeah, it just looks good. And I think I'm gonna wear it for the remainder of the video because why not? Now the last thing that I finally picked up from JPfans, and I was saving this till last, and I'm gonna give you a hint right now. K-pop, Tottenham. A whole frigging BTS light stick. A whole army bomb. The latest one. What can I even say? Like, guys, I could actually cry. Like, I don't even know what to say. I just want to open it. And I've never owned an army bomb. Like, BTS TXT. I have only owned one light stick, which is the Moa bomb. Never owned an army bomb. Watch me, because I'm gonna be in that concert. I'm so ready, like, BTS wait for me. I feel like that one Oprah. This is why I wanted to save this till last, because I don't want to look at anything else right now. I'm so happy with everything, and if these items don't make you want to shop at JPfans and make you want to download that right now on the App Store or the Play Store, then I don't know for you. I've given you the code. It's right there. And you might actually see another haul from me in the future, because I already have stuff in my cart again. You will be seeing another haul from me. I feel like this is like a Disney Channel light stick. Like, you're watching a Disney Channel. I've had enough. So everyone, that is the end of today's video, and that is the end of my JPfans unboxing and haul of everything. Everything is perfect, and I don't think I have a favorite. Comment down below what your favorite is, because I don't know. We might actually have to go back and forth on this one. I might agree, I might disagree, and I don't know. Let's just have a chat in the comments. Even if nothing interested you, I would say to go on there and just have a look for yourself, because they have so much more. Like, this video didn't even scratch the surface on how much they actually have on there. If you sign up through my link, which is on my link tree and which is also in my YouTube profile and in the description down below, you can save yourself up to $86 with my coupon. As if you want to. Don't be forced to do what you don't want to do in this life. Okay, so that is all for today's video. I just want to say a quick thank you to JPfans again, and yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to like this video. Please make sure to comment down below what your favorite item was, or anything that you want to comment. I do read and reply to all of my comments. Please also make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Thank you for all of the new people once again that have joined me along this journey. Mind-blowing, genuinely. Cannot even, I don't know. Thank you so much, and please make sure to hype this video so that it reaches more of you. Yeah, share it with whoever you want to share it with. That's me in and out. Wishing you love, wishing you light, wishing you happiness and everything more, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.